Yeah, so in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to find designs to actually code, like designs for like coding your next front-end project or your next full stack project, just where I get my designs in general. So normally the first thing I first do anytime I look for design, I first go to Figma community. That's where I get most of my designs because that's literally the best place to find designs. That's literally the only place I get designs from, to be honest, because it's just an house for many good designs. Or you can go to Dribble to check for designs, but most of it is Dribble and Behance are mostly like for showcasing designs. They don't actually like give you like the UI you want, so it's always just like for more. It's mostly like if you check for mostly inspiration, for mostly inspiration, you get like a little info on it, but that's all you get. You don't really get like the real deal you want, like the how did they talk on for you? What you really wanted, you don't really get that. But even Dribble too, mostly for showcasing, you can just go click and search. So you only get like showcase. You don't get the full design itself. It's always like just a preview. So most of this website, I call them showcasing website. You just go there to guys see like a showcase of what you want. That's all it does, just showcase. But that's not what we're looking for. In this video, I'm just going to show you where me I get my own designs from. So where I get most of my designs, Figma community is like open source for Figma for designs. That's what I call it. I call it the open source for Figma for UI designs. It's like the best place to get like your designs, like any UI design you're looking for. Figma community has it. So first time you get into Figma community, you get a search bar, and yeah, these are most you can see. They even show you like options from here. You can see different options. You can literally see this is a modern product launch website. You can see different designs. These are designs, UI designs that are actually free. So maybe I'm looking for a landing page. You can just click there, search, or maybe I'm looking for a fashion e-com website. You could just filter. Make sure you always filter it for free, because paid are for like paid. You have to pay to access them, and free are mostly like free designs that you can actually just use, and they don't have like a lot of copyright on them, and they're like free to use and develop for testing. But if you want to like let's say this, and you want to like build the entire website, you can build it. It's free. It's literally free. You can see design file. You can read the case study, and you can like design. You can see numerous people has literally designed it. See, these are people that built the website, people that are using the design. So that's how I say it's like basically open source for Figma. You get the design, and always make sure you check them, because most time you can just like get like a preview only and not get like the design itself. You can see, yeah, you can see this one is a design. Actually, you can see different designs for it. Yeah, so these are literally people that are using the design, people that have used design. Like this person literally built it and like give us a link to see it. You can see what the person built. As long as you're not like trying to sell that design without crediting them, you can use the design for free. And look at this, is literally someone's website. Someone literally built that design that we just checked. I mean, this is what learning is about. This is what open source for design is supposed to be. Like Figma community is the best place to get designs from, and you can literally see they're free of charge. You can build free of charge. You can use free of charge. These are literally templates for free. And the best thing is that you don't pay for it. You just have to attribute the designer that built it. So basically, like they said, this one is Fasco. I think these are the better view of it. Yeah, you can see how many people have used it, how many people subscribe. You can see people are talking, people are thinking, and like, oh, well, I love this, and like, just can I build it on that? You can just click on it to see, and you get the design to literally for free. But just make sure anytime you're using the design, you actually attribute the designer, actually like credit them for their work and credit them for how good the work is, and like tag them so that they can actually that you use that design. So this is the design. Let's see, very good design. like free, and it's a e-com website. You can see everything you need for developing. If you're a front-end developer or full stack developer, everything you need is here. Just that this one is just majorly focused on like the user flow, not the admin flow. Is mostly the user flow. So that's one. Like I this is one of the websites. The same code, I just saved it to my draft so I can use it anytime. I built this. So like, so yeah, you can see the designs for free. That's how open source is. Open source is basically like room for free designs. So you can literally go there and like ask if you can use it and comment. You can see most all the designs are free. Make sure you filter it for free or creators. And make sure anytime you build something or you're like using that design, make sure you also always tag them or attribute it to them. Like that's a very compulsory thing. Also, a lot of people have been asking like, you can go creative, like creative. You can go creative with the designs you're looking for. Go specific for the design you're looking for. You mostly see what you're looking for. Okay, this Figma is having an issue. So like yeah. So that's for if you're looking for designs. This is the best place for you to look for designs. Also, the cheat code I can give you for best designs you can find is talking to like meeting people on Twitter that do design and actually like talking to them and be like, oh, can I get like can I use your design? Mostly a lot of UI developers actually like are looking for people that would design their website, and that's how crazy it is. And coming, there's one of my friend that does design. You can go on Twitter to find designs. You just go UI/UX website story. So you can find designs you're looking for. Most designs here are mostly built, but you can focus on most of all this case study. You can see they have like designs, full designs. Then you can like comment here or like maybe you DM them for like, oh, can I use your design? Can I have access to the design? Can I build it? And most of them actually want you to build it for them. So that's the benefit of it. And like this, so like as I was saying again, having designer friends actually is very important. You can follow designers on YouTube and stuff like that. So let's see, look at this example now. One of my friend is a designer. He actually designed this for me. You can see he redesigned the landing page. This was the old landing page for Fast School, and he redesigned it like this. That's why we got this new design. You can see having designer friends is very important. Comment on that post, reach out to them, reach out to designers. You see that design, you love that design. Don't be shy. No matter your level is, as much as you want to build it, if it's very good and you actually think it's very beautiful, message them, tell them you want to build it, and they will allow you build it for them. So this is the same website. You can see I already built it. He was the one that built everything. He's one that designed all these pages, and that was it. And I attributed him at the bottom of the page. You can see built by me and developed by me, or you can see attributed the person, because I make sure that I always attribute people I build our website from. I always attribute, so you can go here and give him a follow. He's actually a very good person and a very nice person. If you have a UI developer job, you can reach out to him. It's very good. So most of the designs, yeah, literally like design this whole thing. That's the benefit. So as you can see, you can get your designs from here. So in the last one I showed you that it doesn't have like an admin. So on Figma you can search for templates for admin templates for econ. You can search for it. You can see, sorry, it's loading. You can see the different templates are here. You can find one that works for you, copy it and redesign it towards your website. Figma is having an issue currently, but you get what I'm saying. So you can see like this is an example. So I redesigned this for my own website. If you go in the next, I'll tag the video in the description or in the top right. You can see this demo for this admin site. So I just found like a template that worked. I found the dashboard and everything, and I basically redesigned what I saw. And yeah, as a front-end developer, you have to know design and you have to like see people's design, be able to articulate what you really want and be able to deliver on what you want exactly. So, so these are like couple designs I just built, and I just saw, I was like, oh, this is cool. I can recreate this, and I built it. So this is like the admin, yeah. So you see Figma kit, you can get all these things are free. Free. You can just attribute them and say thank you. Attribute them to the website when you're done. Currently, Figma is having issue. So yeah, also reach out to designers. Designers have a lot of designs. Follow them, reach out to them, say if you can build it, ask them. Because if you go to Dreamble or Behance, they're mostly showcase website for designers. They're not like how do I put it, a website you can just go there and get designs. And like I know most of them won't even be for free. But if it goes to somewhere like Figma, you see this is the template. You can see design. This is literally dashboard templates. You can see this is what's on designed, and it's open source. You can literally use it for free. Everything is free as long as you attribute the designer, and that's the most important. You attribute them on that design because it's going to help that portfolio, and it's also going to help your credibility and portfolio too, because you actually partner with someone that design and it's you built our work. So yeah. So Figma community is the best place to get like designs and for free, get design use cases and everything for free. You can go on Twitter to search for designs. You can search case study. I always like putting case study because that's where you get designs that actually have been thought through and actually took time to develop, because most of those people that design all those kind of website that are on, like how would I put it, down like this on use case, this case study, they always like take time to design them because they write case studies for them, and you can go through the case study and find what you want. So yeah, Twitter is also a good place. Most of don't use Dreamble place. Dreamble is just a showcase website. You just go there to see showcased website to just see like inspiration, and maybe if you have like a design experience and you want to design something, go here and get inspiration. But if you're looking for designs to build, yes, they're not the best place. They're not bad, but they're not the best place to find designs. So, like this is the fast school website. This is the design I saw, and I literally attributed them, and I was like, "Thank you for the design." I built my own version, and yeah, like it has a login, register, everything is. I literally found the design on Figma community, attributed the person that designed it, and I built it. That's how it is, and and so always make sure to attribute them, attribute the designer, attribute the person. So remember, I said something about the cheat code. Having designers as friend is very important. Like me and my friend here, me are working on like a design, and let me show you a preview of it. Let me show you. This is the website. It's for this website itself. So come in, look. Let me show you a preview. He designed the landing page. So I'm currently building the landing page, and it's like going very well. So he designed it, and that's the thing. The best thing you can ever do to yourself as a front end developer or someone that loves building a website is have designers friends, because they design all this. Like this is the design. He designed all this because we are collaborating on building like a project together, and that's how important it is to both of us. So we collaborated to build this. You can see the design is actually very good, very good. That's what I say about the cheat code to having the best designs, having designer friends and knowing a bit of design. So you can like add yours to it. So this is the website. Currently, I'm still building it. If you notice, there's no animations yet because I've not done that. So this is the website he designed. You can see the different part of the website, and you can see like almost everything. That's the thing. The cheat code to best design is having a designer friend. Just reach out to designers online, prove your credibility, prove your proof of work, show them that you can build website, and just tell them if they can allow you build our websites. So that's this is literally like the design. Yeah. So also most times if you're looking for UI design, you can also just use like component libraries like Shardscene to find like components or blocks. I call them they call it blocks. So basically like dashboard templates you're looking for, design templates you're looking for. Instead of reinventing the wheel, you can just find what works for you and break it as much as you want. That's the most important thing. Breaking it. You have to break and fail. Don't be afraid of failing actually. These designs are here to be broken because break them, find something and redesign it as much as you want. Everything is free to design, everything is free, you can design it and so chat scene, you can see login component, sign up. You can see these are component libraries that have already thought about everything you can think of, and they've already done that and fixed the issue already before you even think about it. So all you need to do is just find something that works for you, then break it and stuff like that. You can see even if you don't have like a designer to or a design you're working, you can go here, get designs for components for what you need and break them to what you want, build them to what you want. Just go crazy with the design. Shout saying I'm not promoting them, but I'll just say it. They don't even need me to promote them because they're very good. I mean, someone has literally built a design component library that everybody loves and everybody uses, so I know to use it. So yeah, like you can see the design. So the cheat code to the best design is having a designer friend. You can reach out to designers and just use that favorite hashtag. Just use that favorite hashtag. Reach out to the different ones you find, and if you love that design, reach out to them. Ask if you can build it for them. Ask if you want to build. If they will allow you to build it, just reach out to them and talk to them if they will allow you to build our website. Or yeah. So that's where I get my design inspiration from. That a lot of people ask me this question a lot of times. So that's how I get my design inspiration from. And yeah, so like Figma community is the best. You can also like join Figma groups or campus groups to like connect with more designers as a developer. If you want to build like SaaS product and everything, it's good to have the designer friends that connect with you on the same level of thinking and can help you build them. So these are the best things to do. And yeah, you can do a lot. You can see component iOS kits, most of all the kits you want for every design, most of the SVGs you want, icons you want, they're here. You can literally get them for free. You see people that have used it. So it's like Figma community is like open source for design. Like it's open source for design. You can get everything you want in this place. So yeah, it's the best place to get your designs and designs for all your projects and maybe your next project. And yeah, that's a preview of plans of what I'll be working on with him. So you can get a design from there. So Figma, you can join Figma physical community. Forums, there are plenty of things. Just Figma is like the best tool currently. Adobe is actually good. It's just I don't see a lot of resources for Adobe in terms of like open source. Figma is like the biggest open source for you to get like designs for free and attribute the designer. It's just like seeing a design you see for free and just reaching out to them and be like, oh, I love it. Can I use it for free and stuff like that? Just get it. It's here for free. Everything's here. It's the best place. Anything you're looking for, someone have thought about it. Portfolio design, someone have thought about it, someone have built it, someone have designed it. Just find what works for you. Just switch to free if you don't want to pay, and if you want to pay, switch to pay and buy it. Supporting these designers that actually give us all these things for free is very important to me. So if you have money and you want to pay for it, pay. And if you have projects, you can reach out to them, find a design that you like, and tell the person if they can be able to build for you and you're willing to pay. Just reach out to them. Also, yeah. So if you like this video, like and comment and maybe subscribe, and maybe like watch the next video that's going to be popping up soon. And that just tells you to that you like my video and you should promote it or like show it to other people. So yeah, I hope you learned a bit or two. And yeah, so that's basically how I get my designs and how I build my get my designs from. So bye, peace.